Hey everybody, welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be for those of you who are looking to start your smart home experience but don't know where to start. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Esicoo, I'll have it here, you can say it how you want, but the Esicoo smart plugs. This is a pack of 4, as it says here. It's a pack of 4. And they are Wi-Fi enabled smart plugs. And we'll get right into the box. You get a little user manual. And then in the box, you get 4 of these lovely faces. And each of these is its own little plug. So it's got the prongs that you will plug into the wall, and then you plug something into it like normal. There's 4 of them here. So this should be great for really anyone that's looking to start their smart home experience. If you're looking into just jumping in balls to the walls and automating everything, you might want a few more than 4. I have 5. One of them is under my desk right now, which I'll show you how it works in a second. They work with Google Home. They work with Amazon's Alexa. They unfortunately do not work with HomeKit. So I can't say, hey Siri, turn off my lights. But they do work through the Smart Life mobile app, which I'll be showing you in a second. And there's another one that they work through. I can't think of it right now, but I'll have it here on the screen. There's a couple different options for you if you don't have an Echo or Google Home or something like that. There's a couple different options for you. So I have my iPad here with me, and the app that you use with this is Smart Life. I'll have the link to it down in the description. It's on iOS, Android. There's an Alexa skill for it. Whatever Google has for their Google Home apps, there's one for that. So I'm going to open it up, and then once you set up and sign in and whatnot, you have this option for your home. You can add another room or another home or whatever. As you can see, I have a couple here. You can do different scenes. None of them are going to work right now because I have them all unplugged right here. It gives you the temperature outside, the air quality index, humidity. You can turn anything on and off with your voice through here. And to add a device, you tap the plus, and then you scan nearby equipment, and if that doesn't come up, you get all these little options here. And the way that I would set this up is I would tap on electrical outlet, I would plug one into the wall, I would press and hold this power button on the side until this light started blinking rapidly. I'd hit confirm, and then it would bring me to log into my network. It'll connect to the network and to your Smart Life account, so that way you can control stuff. It's essentially just plug and play. So I'm actually going to take all of these and I'm going to put them under my table here, and I'm going to set them up so that they're with all my lights, and I'm going to show you how this works.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so it's pretty dark now because I have my lights off. But what I'm going to show you is how this works, and I have one currently on this light right now, so if I tap that button it'll shut off and it'll turn back on. You can name them, which is actually really helpful. So if I turn on studio left side lights, I get a bit of light over here. I'm going to turn that off. If I turn on studio overhead light, it turns on the light over there. And if I turn on studio left side lights, it'll turn back on all my lights. So if I come over to my scenes here and I hit lights off, it will kill all 3 of my lights all at once, and then you can set these up with whatever you want. So if I want to make a scene, I can enter the scene name, and then I can do a couple actions. So if I want to, turn on my air conditioner, I can switch on AC on, and then I can set it up with as many things as I want. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I actually really enjoy these. I actually ended up enjoying these a lot more than I originally anticipated. Just being able to turn on my lights from the other side of the room, specifically with my air conditioner. When I get up and leave for work in the morning, I don't always remember to turn on my air conditioner. I can actually turn on my air conditioner from work, which is like 1.5 miles away. So these things are really, really helpful If you're looking to start a smart home, maybe you have an Echo Dot or an Echo or a Google Home, something, whatever, use a bit more of its full potential, I would definitely look into getting a pack of these. The 4-pack right now is on Amazon for $39.99, so it's about $10 per plug, which is around where most of these smart plugs are. Maybe $2 more or less, depending on the brand or what they work with. If you're looking for HomeKit enabled ones, you're probably going to have to pay a little bit more than $10. So I'll have the links to the Smart Life app as well as the Amazon listing for these down in the description. If you guys are looking to check them out, I would definitely recommend these. I know I say that with a lot of things on this channel, but these, I love these. I've been using these for maybe a little over a month, just under a month and a half, and I want more. So guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, as well as turning on notifications so that way you get notified whenever I upload my next video. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, goodbye.